case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard the case of United States v. Washington. The case revolved around the proper use of evidence that is admissible for a limited purpose, and whether the jury should receive specific instructions on how to consider such evidence. The case began when the appellant engaged in a high-speed chase with federal officers. He was subsequently charged with assaulting federal officers and possession of a deadly weapon. During the trial, the prosecutor presented the appellant's prior felony conviction as evidence. However, the district judge failed to instruct the jury that this conviction could only be considered for a specific purpose and should not be used to imply a general propensity to commit crimes. Despite being found guilty on both counts by the jury, the court recognized that the lack of instruction regarding the prior conviction could have affected the verdict. The appellant's attempt to evade arrest and pointing a gun at officers were also significant factors in the case. The court determined that the district judge's refusal to limit the use of the prior conviction in the trial was an error, and that the appellant's right to a fair trial had been violated. Ultimately, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit concluded that the appellant was indeed guilty, but the failure to provide the jury with proper instructions regarding his previous conviction necessitated a retrial. The court ordered a new trial to ensure the appellant's right to a fair trial was upheld.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.